When something breaks across services, you need to see the whole request flow. Dash0 CLI lets you query spans and pull full distributed traces directly from your terminal. First, let's query recent spans. By default, this shows spans from the last 15 minutes. You can see the timestamp, duration, span name, status, service name, parent ID, trace ID, and span ID. Now, let's say you're investigating a specific service. You can filter it directly. If you're chasing failures, you can filter by status and retrieve only error spans. You can also adjust the time range or the limit depending on what you're looking for. And if you only want certain fields, you can customize the columns. So instead of scrolling through a UI, you're querying spans directly. Every span includes a trace ID, so you can copy one and then retrieve the full trace. Now you can see the entire request displayed as a parent-child tree, making it clear how the call moved across services. Because this is CLI driven, you can export spans and traces as JSON or CSV for further analysis, automation, or integration with other tools. That also means AI agents can retrieve traces, analyze latency patterns, detect anomalies, and even suggest fixes programmatically. Distributed tracing becomes part of your automation layer and not just something you open in a browser.